Yo, thank you for watching another episode of Slim J TV. This video is going to cover a Midwest safety video about, let's see, one clever way to stop a motorcycle chase. But before we get into that, I'm doing a new thing every video from now on forward. Hopefully I'm going to shout out to a subscriber that subscribes and follows the channel and likes, comments. All you have to do is subscribe and like and watch my content, and then you might be shouted out in the next video. So in today's video, a subscriber to my channel is David Lenza. Thank you for being a subscriber here at Slim J TV. So yeah, please subscribe and like and follow, and let's build this channel. And I want it to be a place where we can have fun and talk and chat, especially in the live streams. And you know, it takes one day at a time to build this channel. So let's get into it. Midwest safety.
On November 8th, 2023, an Arkansas state trooper was on a routine patrol when he saw a motorcycle lane splitting. Lane splitting may be legal in California, but not...
I don't understand. You know, driving motorcycles is cool and all, but it's like, I trust my driving. I just don't trust other people, and especially when you're on a motorcycle, you can get smashed real quick, and you don't have a lot of protection, and you could get road rash really bad, or you could just die. And the likelihood of me dying in my truck compared to you on a motorcycle is a lot less, you know, likely.
Not in Arkansas. Also not legal in Arkansas. Going double the speed limit. The trooper quickly flips on his lights and sirens, attempting to pull over the suspect. The situation quickly evolves into a pursuit, one where officers utilize a tactic never seen before on this channel.
A tactic never seen. He showed him his nipples, and the guy's like, I have to pull over. I have to pull over. I have to see those nipples. And by the way, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope you had a lot of turkey and got sleepy. Gobble gobble.
We have a black motorcycle. Roger got a Really found at 134, speed about 130. Speed 130.
Man, that guy is going.
Oh yeah. I'm okay now.
This second officer is
Someone come get their dad, please. Someone go get their dad. He needs some help. He needs some milk. He needs some milk.
traveling northbound on I-430, while the pursuing officer is traveling eastbound on I-40. This second officer is likely rushing through traffic in hopes to continue the chase if the motorcyclist outpaces the pursuing officer. Otherwise, if the suspect heads south, the officer will have to use an unusual tactic to stop the chase, which would be coming from the opposite side of the highway.
Well, I bet for the officer it's a lot more tricky trying to catch a guy on a motorcycle than it is a vehicle, because they're more versatile and whatever. But it's a lot more dangerous for the driver, of course. He's weaving in and out.
According to the speed tracker on the officer's cruiser, the pursuit reaches speeds of 142 miles per hour. One small misstep by this motorcyclist at these high speeds, and he's done for.
Bro got the boots on and everything. The fit looking pretty dope. Fit looking pretty dope. I wouldn't be surprised if he's like recording this himself too. He has like a GoPro.
motorcycle. Riding wearing a tan shirt, dark green pants. Girl with a camo jacket. That's what she's fine. Where did you wait on? Oh, yeah, please don't take that.
37 going up 430 right now. Help me out.
Man, the cop just has to stay on the shoulder to even try to keep up with him.
37, don't try to break your neck, get that there. He's able to stay with it. Now we gotta get close.
Am I close? Yeah, I'm finna bust. Interesting. The cops are doing a great job keeping up with him. That's for sure.
Yeah, he's about 130. Traffic, whatever, he's a huge traffic. Airport 27.
Bro is hauling ass. Yeah, the cops are doing a great job, like going, even keeping up with them, going those speeds like 130 with all the traffic on there. That's pretty impressive.
Okay, listen, if he gets to that crash, should get that traffic back up there, and then throw the interchange and walk kill me.
Sorry, I had to text my ball and chain wife. You know how it is. If I don't respond, I'll get killed.
You're not the 142, you're on the right shoulder, Pat.
How are they gonna stop this guy?
A third officer joins the pursuit and jumps onto 40 East, just behind the initial cruiser.
Woo.
The second cruiser is still traveling
Smoking.
northbound on I-430, and it looks like he won't be able to catch up in time to continue the chase on I-40. However, the suspect is coming up to this fork in the highway. He can either continue east on I-40, or he could decide to take an exit to travel southbound on I-430 and unknowingly travel towards the second pursuing officer.
You feeling lucky, punk? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys. I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot the deputy. Come on, cops, get him already. He's a danger to himself, and he's a danger to society. He must be stopped at all costs for the Empire. Man, All it takes is one of those drivers not paying attention and like swerving into the other lane. It just takes that. Just one careless driver that doesn't even pay attention. Man, I bet he wishes he was in California, because if he was in California, the cops would escort him all the way to Mexico.
The suspect did take the I-430 south exit and is now heading directly towards the second officer. Thinking fast, the officer drives his cruiser over the median in an attempt to make a blockade on the highway.
Okay, let's see how this works out. This is very, very dangerous.
On the shoulder right now. 430 south, get ready to go to 12.
Yeah, this is pretty sketch. Oh, he's gonna stop traffic. Ooh. Oh yeah, he's gonna wipe out in the grass. I don't think that thing's meant for off-road.
He wrecked out.
Just lay down, dude.
Get on the ground! On the ground, now! On the ground!
Man, you got a knee in the ribs? Goodness.
Back there, back. Hey!
They gotta be aggressive as hell, but I guess that's just how it is. They don't know if this guy's armed or dangerous, you know.
Shut the fuck up! Hey!
It's essential to cuss at the dude. That needs to be done to assert dominance and alpha. So he knows who the alpha is. Obviously, it's cop.
Shut up! Hey, I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck.
You got these clips on the front, yeah.
I don't give a shit. I'm cutting your helmet off too.
It's a little cool tab.
I don't care.
Red tab.
I don't care. I'm ruining all your stuff. You know, they're lucky nobody got hurt.
Did I get the right off the ground? They go back to Palm County. Oh, yeah.
I bet his bike's pretty banged up.
Turn this way. Stop facing this way. Hey, face the car. Let the right remain silent. You understand your rights? Yes, sir. Bike stolen?
No, sir. I just found it on Saturday. I have the bill of sale on this phone.
Slide in.
That. Can I pull these pants
Get
up
in.
real quick? Okay. I don't have much to say to y'all, but I apologize. That was stupid. I shouldn't have.
You're right.
I shouldn't have put y'all through that.
Guy was like, that was stupid, but it was real fun, officer. It was real fun.
Ronald, take a picture of where this gun is.
Let me get my camera.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
he got a gun. Oh, shit. See, I told you. He had a gun.
How do you run off the road? Like block this lane and the shoulder.
That's the only reason the damn pursuit stopped.
Yeah. He could either stop or run off the road.
Using the math seen here on screen, we estimate that the suspect is traveling roughly 32 to 45 miles per hour when he passes in front of this cruiser. By employing this novel approach, not only does this tactic bring the vehicular chase to an abrupt halt, but it also cleverly prompts the motorcyclist to swiftly and substantially reduce their speed to a much safer level, far below 142 miles per hour.
Had you not done what you did, he'd still be running right now. He's got no criminal history at all. Running just to be running. No dope, no criminal history.
So you're really just running to run.
He's just running, no.
Wow, just running to run. Just doing it for the fun of it. Now, he has criminal charges on his record, and that sucks when you live in America, because that shit's gonna be on your record forever. Good luck getting a job.
Maybe dope on him? No. He's never even been arrested. It is what it is. The exact same bike that I chased a couple months ago. And he was driving the same too. Doing his like, he's getting on top of it, weaving real hard, like trying to shake it, just being stupid, you know.
According to a police report, officers discovered he was carrying a blue pistol with an extra magazine in his backpack. Multiple officers in the area noted that they witnessed who they believed to be the same rider speeding excessively days prior, but were not able to stop him. The report lists charges for 1 felony for fleeing in a vehicle causing substantial danger, and several misdemeanors including reckless driving, speeding more than 15 over the limit, which, in this case, it was likely more than 65 miles over the speed limit, improper, unsafe lane change, improper passing on left.
Yeah, bro, straight up lucky he survived. I think he wasn't thinking straight at all.
Improper passing on right, failure to use turn signal, driving vehicle without tags, no proof of insurance, and no motorcycle endorsement. His current court case verdict and sentencing are currently unknown. We found out about this incident thanks to safetyvid.org, which caught the crash on this Arkansas DOT camera. To get footage of your freeway crash caught on a traffic camera, go to safetyvid.org and download your video today.
I know you probably don't give a but would you mind turning the key off on that bike when you walk back out there? When I get my call at the station, will I be able to look at my phone to look at my contacts?
These officers do not care at all. Alright, that brings that video to an end. Well, thank you for watching another video here at Slim J TV. So if you want to be shouted out on the next video, subscribe and like, leave a comment. But yeah, I'll catch you on the flip side, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.